What's up, guys? Headed down to pick up my new mini bike. I found a frame on Craigslist. Got them down to 300. I haven't even seen it yet, but it looks like it's in good shape. It's a Coleman with a 6.5 horsepower engine, which doesn't matter because the big V-twin's going in it. So I'm almost there now. Pick that up, bring it back, strip the motor. I believe I already have the motor sold, which is cool. Make a little money off it. And might have to do some fabricating on the engine plate. I might have to order a new one because I think the stock mini bikes, they're like 3.5 inch plate. Mine has to be about 4 inch. So I don't know. We'll see. See what happens. So I'm on my way to pick up this new mini bike, the Coleman, and I get to this intersection, and then the sheriff just goes ripping through the intersection, red light and all. Had to have been doing like 80 miles an hour. So I drive up, I turn on the road he turned on, and I see another cop pulled over. So I pass him. About 2 miles down the road, the sheriff comes flying through, passes me. So I drive down the road more, I pass another sheriff. So I'm getting closer to the guy's place I'm buying the mini bike from, and I'm pretty sure I just passed this place and all the sheriffs are in his driveway. So I just turned around. I'm kind of scared to pull in. Be like, hey, I'm here to buy a mini bike. What's going on? I'm gonna text the guy right now. I've had a terrible day at buying mini bikes because the guy before this today was all like cracked out. It was really sketchy. I guess this just isn't meant to be. So it turned out that the house with all the sheriffs, it wasn't his house, it was his neighbor. It was pretty close. I told the guy, I'm like, dude, I went by the place and the GPS said it was your place, and I was like, I ain't pulling in there. I'm good, I'm heading home. But got the mini bike, nice Coleman, 6.5 horse engine. Had to take the bars off to get it in here. Car life. Stopped at Chipotle. Let's head home and get the engine out and let's see what we can do. Woo! We made it. Oh boy, here she is. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh. I have to set my phone on for a second. Man, for a mini bike, this thing weighs a ton. Whew. Gotta put the handlebars on real quick. It wouldn't fit in my car. What's that? Oh, there we go. Tear down time. Let's do this. So I'm going to take, oh jeez, I'm going to take this and put it into that. How is this going to go?